This is the Remington VACTech series. It's an 18-piece kit, and it has a removable vacuum chamber on the front of it that captures most of the cut hair. This is a very inclusive kit, very nice size zipper bag. The shaver itself, which has a 9-foot cord, and 8 shaver attachments, all the way from 1/8 inch up to 1 inch. And you also have left taper and right taper to use for the ears. And then, as with most shaving kits, you get accessories. It looks like there's 3 hair clips, a little brush, bottle of oil, pair of scissors, and the comb. It also has this user guide. The front has the chamber that catches the cut hair. When I turn it, see how this sticks out just a tiny bit on both sides, sort of toward the bottom. So grab those little tiny flanges, get your nail under it maybe, and pull it off. So the hair goes down there and it's captured. Put it back on, just press it on. And again, that little tiny flange, just pull it off. And presses back on. It comes with a little blade cover. You just slide that off. You take any of the heads and you'll see there's little grooves on the inside. Just put it in there and slide it up. We're upgrading from this older wall unit on the right, so you see the size differences quite a bit. To turn it on, you just slide this up. So the hair is suctioned up from the top down into the chamber, and then the air flows out the bottom, so you don't want to have your hand over the vent. Now I'm going to compare. This is very lightweight. This is very heavy. So in comparison to what we were using, this is larger, but it's also lighter, quieter, and it vibrates a lot less. So we're going to do an all-over cut using the 1/4 inch blade. And again, it just slides on here. So we're finished shaving the hair. Now we're going to shave the neck with no blade. So just put both thumbs here and slide this off. So our home salon was at the edge of our tub. Normally it would be a mess. We'd have to get a vacuum. There's literally pretty much nothing there. Remember to take the front off. There's little flanges here. Pull on them. And there's our hair. Just dump that out. Nice and neat. So it makes cutting hair much, much faster and neater. So this is the Remington VACTech series with the removable vacuum chamber. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.